A lot of Sheilas out there get a bit creeped out when I draw snakes. So today I draw something small, cute and furry. Today I'm drawing a tarantula, and this is something that my grandmother taught me to be afraid of, and I sort of overcome that fear. At first, you feel a little bit nervous. There's too many legs. It just, it feels a bit creepy to start with. But after a while, it's just sitting there relaxing. I find it a really relaxing experience. I know a lot of people won't believe that. I find it hard to believe that something like that can be a relaxing experience. But it's calm, it's gentle, and it's just not wanting to do any harm to me. Sitting there, probably a bit confused, but I feel completely at ease, I feel peaceful, I feel relaxed, and I can just concentrate on the drawing without any fear of being harmed in any way. They're sort of cute little animals. I can't help but think that they are really quite cute. Beautiful creature. I've really overcome that phobia now. I've got to get the lady Jennifer to have a go at this too, because it is wonderful. I'm really loving this now. I really love this whole experience.
She wants to stay.
She likes me. Pop your other hand around there.
So just sort of...
Yeah, just don't put your hand on top.
So
Put your hand underneath. There we go, you got it.
Oh, wow. She's amazing. I feel the weight.
She's gorgeous.
She's slipping a bit.
Yeah. I think she'll hang on. She's climbing up your arm. She likes you.
She's amazing.
Out of all the dangerous animals I've ever drawn, this is going to be the video that would freak my grandmother out the most if she was still alive. Isn't she beautiful?
Will she step on your feet?